आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आपके पास में धन की कमी है, अबेंडेंस नहीं है, जब चाहिए तभी आपको वेल्थ जनरेट करने नहीं हो रहा है? सो डोंट वरी एट ऑल। ऑरा एबिलिटी अनफोल्ड्स और हेरम क्रिस्टल्स आपके लिए इस दिवाली पर लेकर आया है prosperity and abundance kit. It's a very, very powerful kit with multiple products which I planned with very deep study for you. It is a couple product, husband and wife दोनों के लिए है। तो ये आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को अपने लिए ले सकते हैं या दिवाली गिफ्ट बनकर किसी को दे सकते हैं, and you will see very good results after that. The products which include in this are a couple bracelet, that is a set of bracelet, a set of pyrite coin, that is for wealth generator and also protection from any negative energies. It will enhance your abundance, prosperity by this citrine tree. It is very effective. Don't miss this offer. अगर आप ये मेरे से प्रोडक्ट सिंगल लेंगे तो it will go till 6,000. But here you are getting at a very discounted rate and also with the benefit charged personally energized for you. This Diwali bring home prosperity and abundance with the help of Aura Ability Unfolds and Hiram crystals.